Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguy.com and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best roof rakes. Usually, the average roof can withstand around 4 feet of fresh snow, 2 feet of packed snow, or 1 inch of ice. But anything more than that can be pretty dangerous. In fact, ice dams can form when roof snow piles up too much. To keep your house safe this winter, get yourself a good roof rake. Unlike the typical rake that you'll use for gravel and leaves on the ground, this option has models with longer handles or gentle spikes to make sure you'll get everything without scratching your roof. In this video, join us as we browse through 5 of the best roof rakes available today. The team at TrustedShopGuy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the roof rakes that will be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShopGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first roof rake in our list is the Avalanche Snow Roof Rake 500, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. You can quickly and safely clear snow off of your roof using the Avalanche Snow Roof Rake 500. In comparison to a conventional roof rake, this tool's innovative design will reduce the physical strain on your body and help you complete the task more quickly. In terms of its profile, this one has a width of 8 inches and a weight of 5 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Easy to use. Watch as heavy snow slides down the blue snow slide by gently pushing this rake up your roof. Heavy-duty wheels. The cutting head has 1.5-inch wheels that raise the head sufficiently to shield shingle roofs while clearing snow all the way down, avoiding ice dams. Fiberglass handle. This item can clear a ton of snow per minute thanks to its unique and lightweight fiberglass handle divided into 4 sections that equal a 16-inch length. Easy to store. You can simply snap the extendable parts together to start clearing snow off your roof. No tools are required. This also makes it easy to fold up and store. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, this product is on the heavy side, so make sure that you get used to it before using it with a heavy snow pile. The second roof rake in our list is a Garant Telescopic Roof Rake, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Get rid of snow from roofs, awnings, and skylights using the Garant Telescopic Roof Rake. It's ideal for low, medium, and steep slopes with its 4.5-pound weight and 6-inch width. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Aluminum handle. Its anti-slip, super lightweight, 5.03-meter telescopic aluminum handle is designed to be as comfortable and long-reaching as possible for you. Polyethylene blade. This tool's polyethylene blade is light and durable, making sure it won't damage roofs. Extendable pole. The handle extends from 17.25 inches to 24 inches to help you reach the peak of your roof and other hard-to-reach nooks. Easy to store. The telescoping push-button design makes it streamlined and compact for simple storage. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, the extended part may be a bit wobbly, so we suggest starting off with lighter tasks and working up to larger ones as you feel confident. The third roof rake in our list is the Snow Joe RJ205M Roof Rake, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. With the Snow Joe RJ205M Roof Rake, you can quickly remove snow, wet leaves, and other debris from your roof while staying safe on the ground. This will help you avoid damage to your roof from big piles of snow and save you money on repairs. Also, at only 5.7 pounds, it's very light, strong, and easy to handle. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Twist and lock. Ideal for clearing snow, wet leaves, and debris from roofs without climbing, the twist and lock telescopic pole easily adjusts from 6.2 to 21 feet for extended reach. Large aluminum blade. For maximum clearing force with each pass, its large aluminum blade rake head spans 6 inches broad. Rubberized grip. The rubber handle absorbs and maintains heat so you can cling to it even without your gloves on. Aluminum pole. This rake's aluminum shaft ensures that it'll be sturdy and resistant to dents for a long time. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchases, once you open it up to its extended length, it may seem like it's locked in place, but you can loosen it and fold it up by gently hammering it. The fourth roof rake in our list is a True Temper ABTT 5212 Snow Brush, which our team at TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. To help you endure even the worst winter, the True Temper ABTT 5212 Snow Brush has features that make it possible to clear snow from confined spaces. It has a length of 38 inches, which it can extend to 52 inches, and a width of 5.5 inches with a weight of 1.45 pounds. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. EVA foam brush. With a cutting-edge EVA foam brush, this item will clog, scratch, or freeze your roof, and you can even use it on the windows of your vehicle. 180 degrees head. The swiveling head of this tool allows you to get into tight spaces. It also folds flat and rotates for convenient cabinet storage. Mid-grip cushion. Its ergonomically curved handle with cushion mid-grip helps extend your reach and improve comfort. Ice scraper ends. Each end of the rake comes with an ice scraper to remove the stiff, icy chunks or sheets. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is the product is not very wide, so it might not be the best option for big and fluffy snow buildup, but it's good enough for light icing. The fifth roof rake on our list is the Suncast roof rake, which our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. With the Suncast Snow Roof Rake, you can swiftly move snow and prevent heavy snow from damaging your roof. Its lightweight design can reach the roofs of most 2-story houses, but it does weigh 7.5 pounds, so be prepared to work with the weight before you get up there. Team recommends this purchase based on the following. Premium material. The lower handle is made of strong resin-coated aluminum, and the plastic bow-shaped head has a curved nonstick graphite blade for optimal performance. Adjustable length. With 4-piece snap connector sections, this rake can be extended from 7 inches to 21 inches in width and 252 inches in length to help you reach the peak of your roof without climbing up. Easy to store. You can easily disassemble this item and store it in your shelf, cabinet, attic, or basement. Angel rib pattern. The large surface blade's angled ribs keep snow from sticking to the rake and make it easy to clear snow whenever it does. Keeping all of that in mind, the important thing you have to consider about this product prior to your purchase is there are some users who say that it's a bit challenging to fold it up when it's already assembled, so you may ask a friend to help you if you ever decide to use the longest mode. And there you have it, folks, our best roof rakes which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next roof rake roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please to give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.